Two trusted names in home security face off, Ring and ADT. Which one really delivers? On the left, Ring, smart, flexible DIY home protection by Amazon. And on the right, ADT, legacy security with pro monitoring since 1874. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. So here's our little mind map, just so we're all on the same page. We're breaking this down by price and contracts, monitoring and reliability, installation, smart home integration, cameras and devices, and then trust and support. Oh, and I've got a fun fact coming up later. Hang tight. All right, let's get real about price and contracts first. Ring is kind of the hero here if you hate contracts. You just pay for what you need. No weird obligations. Monthly pro monitoring is totally optional. And it actually starts pretty cheap. Like, you could be up and running without breaking the bank. The only catch is, some of those extra features, you gotta shell out a bit more if you really want them. Now, ADT, get ready for paperwork. They basically live and breathe contracts, sometimes locking you in for years. Sure, you can finance stuff and the gear gets bundled in, but the monthlies add up. Think $30 to $60 per month. It's kind of like having a gym membership you can't escape. So if you want freedom and affordable setup, Ring's the play. Next up, monitoring and reliability. So Ring lets you be the boss. You can self-monitor from the app or pay a little to have someone else keep an eye out. Super simple. But it's not all sunshine. If you're worried about emergencies or power outages, Ring isn't running a network of backup centers. Meanwhile, ADT, this is their bread and butter. Serious, professional monitoring. 6+ centers nationwide, so if one goes down, there's a backup, and they'll dispatch police or fire for you automatically. The catch? You basically need pro monitoring to really use all the features. But their reliability is kind of legendary. ADT takes this round if you want that ironclad peace of mind. Now let's talk installation. Ring is basically made for anyone who loves putting things together, or just like saving money. It's 100% DIY. You can slap it up in minutes. Renters especially, take note. If you want pros to do it, that's possible too, but honestly, even non-techies could figure this out with a YouTube tutorial. Only real downside? You still got to do it yourself unless you pay for help. And then you've got ADT. You can do DIY, sure, but most people end up going pro, and yeah, there's an install fee. It works well, but if you decide to move, taking the system with you can be, kind of a pain. Overall, Ring's just way easier for setting up and moving. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know ADT's been watching homes since all the way back in 1874? Ring only started in 2013. That's like comparing your granddad's security system with your little cousin's, honestly. Let's jump to smart home integration. Ring runs pretty smooth if you're already knee-deep in Amazon's ecosystem. Alexa, check. Google Assistant, check. There's some support for smart locks and select gadgets, but really, it likes to play in its own backyard. ADT, though? This thing is like a social butterfly. Alexa, Google, Z-Wave, Nest, even a whole bunch of smart brands. It's like the UN of home devices. The only hesitation? To unlock all that goodness, you've got to go for one of their pricier plans. Still, if smart gear is your thing, ADT is the show-off here. All right, cameras and devices is where things get spicy. Ring is honestly the king of video doorbells. Their outdoor and indoor cams are sharp. Lots of cool features. 3D motion detection, bird's eye view, just nerdy stuff if you're into security tech. Plus, if your Ring gets stolen, they'll actually replace it. That's wild. Downside? Some features aren't free. ADT, meanwhile, plays nice with Google Nest cameras and has a wide variety of good sensors and cams. Just less innovation on cool features compared to Ring. No theft protection either. So yeah, if you want the best gadgets and free replacements, Ring's the pick. Last but not least, trust and support. Ring's got that Amazon muscle behind it, so you do get solid backing and a 30-day return policy. But gotta be honest, the warranty and return window is on the short side, and their network isn't as deep as the old-timers. ADT? This is like the OG, with over 147 years backing homes. 6 monitoring centers, fat guarantees, and the confidence of history. Sometimes their support is a little slow, but you gotta respect their track record. ADT definitely feels more established here. If you love visuals, here's our radar chart with scores for every category. Ring pretty much crushes in price, easy install, and cameras. ADT flexes on reliability, smart home powers, and its legacy support. You see those strengths right away. So, bottom line, if you want smart security that's flexible, easy to install, and won't destroy your wallet, Ring is where you start. Tech-savvy folks or renters, this one's for you. But if you want that old-school, ironclad reliability, a huge network watching your back night and day, and all the smart home bells and whistles, ADT's tough to beat. Pick what matches your lifestyle, honestly. Hey, if you found this useful and want more pro tips on home tech, hit follow for the latest security comparisons and insider tricks. I've got your